This is a Maono PD300X microphone. It's a premium microphone from Maono, but without the premium price. It is packed with features, and in this video we're gonna review it together. I'm gonna show you what comes in its box, and I'm gonna also show you its connections and its controls. We'll be testing its sound quality with the XLR connection and with the USB-C connection. And by the way, now it is connected with XLR, and I'm recording the sound using OBS with filters. But also in this video, I'm gonna let you hear the raw sound of this microphone without any filter. And also I'm gonna give you the best settings in OBS that I found for this microphone. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like about it. So let's start first by showing you what comes in its box. Let's open the box. You have some documentation, an adapter for the boom arm thread, USB-C to USB-C cable that also has attached to it USB-A adapter, and this is an extension for the desktop stand because this kit comes with a desktop stand. This is the microphone. It comes attached to the shock mount, and it also has this wind blocker already pre-installed. And on the bottom of the box you have the base for the desktop stand, and this is everything you get in the box. The connections of this microphone are on the bottom, so you can connect it via XLR, and in this case you need an audio interface and it doesn't need phantom power, and you can also connect it via USB-C, and also it has a 3.5mm headphone monitoring jack. As for the controls, they are on the front. This is a multi-function knob, and once you press it shortly, it will change the function. So for instance, this is now the microphone gain, and press it also shortly, it will become for the monitoring balance between the PC and the microphone. I advise you to keep it on the middle for this. And also another one, it will be for the headphone gain. And also here you have this mute button. One short press, you'll mute the microphone. Another short press, you'll unmute it. And if you press and hold it, it will go into the mode that you set up in the Maono Link application. In my case, I've set it up to go into noise suppression mode. So I hold it long here, more than 2 seconds, and it will go in the noise suppression mode. You can assign up to 4 modes that you can find in the Maono Link application to this button when you press and hold it for 2 seconds or more. Now I connected the microphone with the USB-C connection, and I'm treating the sound in OBS. And by the way, if you're liking this video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Now let me give you an overview about the Maono Link application. When you install the Maono Link software and you start it for the first time, it might detect that your microphone needs a firmware upgrade. In this case, go ahead and do the firmware upgrade. And this is what I'm gonna do here. So simply here, I'm gonna click on upgrade. And of course, when you perform the software upgrade, the microphone will be deactivated. And this is why I have this backup microphone. And the sound you're listening to now is from this backup microphone. So now the software upgrade finished, and the sound is once again from the Maono microphone. Just click on OK here and click again on your microphone. So let me give you a quick overview about the Maono Link software. So on the basic page, you can record, you can also change the gain of the microphone and the gain of the headphones and the monitor and all this stuff. And you have also the scene menu. You can here change the tone of the microphone, for instance like this, or recording and all this stuff. And also you can activate the compressor, the limiter, and for the compressor and limiter you have the 3 dots here. If you click them, it will take you to a menu to fine-tune them. So this is the limiter. I'm gonna deactivate them because I'm using them in OBS. And if you want to add an equalizer of your own, click on the add button here and then just put the equalizer like you want it to, and then click on the X here. And this is a new equalizer. It is selected by default. You can delete it and you can edit it if you want. So now we're gonna test the noise gate, how efficient it is. And I have a powerful fan running next to me. I'm gonna stop talking a little bit so for you to hear the background noise. And now I'm gonna enable the noise gate. At its default settings, it is -20. It does an okay job by reducing the fan noise. So you can increase it a little bit so that it can also remove it more, but it will muffle your sound a little bit. So if you have lots of noise next to you, you can increase it. It will muffle your sound, but nevertheless, it will remove the noise. and the noise gate, in my opinion, is an average option in this Maono microphone. Now I'm gonna show you the best setting that I found for this microphone in OBS. So I'm gonna go to screen recording, and you notice this is a Maono PD300X, so I added filters to it. So click on the 3 dots here and choose filters. So I added a 5 dB gain, and for the noise suppression also I'm managing it in OBS, and I chose the speed low CPU usage, and I brought down the level to -50 dB. I also put 3-band equalizer, plus 9 dB at high, 0 at mid, and 6 dB at low. And I put the expander, limiter, and compressor with their default values. And the order of the filters is very important, so you should put them like this. Now I'm gonna disable all the filters, so for you to hear the raw sound of this microphone. So let's disable them, all of them here. Let's close it. So this is now what you're hearing is the raw sound of the microphone without any filter and with the Maono Link application resetted to its default settings. So now I've been using this Maono PD300X microphone for the last 2 weeks, and I found out that it has many positive points, but also it needs improvements in some areas. So what I like about it is that it has a very good build quality. It also has very good sound, especially in XLR with a good audio interface, and it is a good value. What I also like about it is that it has 2 connection options. Now, what I don't like about it is the noise suppression in the Maono Link software. It doesn't work good in my opinion, and it's better to use the noise suppression in OBS or in your audio interface if you're using XLR. And also what I don't like about it is that they shoved too many functions in one knob, and it is very difficult to memorize the colors and what you are controlling. Now, if you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave a discount coupon code in the description along with my affiliate link. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.